Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. My name is Samantha. I am a first year vocational training student in business administration, and today in this video we are going to explain exercise number 5. In exercise number 5 we will have to order Stephen King's books by year. First we will have to connect to the local network. Okay, this PC, map network, letter M. Okay, the folder is King 5. Oh. Perfect. Okay, King, this PC. Perfect. Documents. Then we will have to create the folder structure where we are going to organize the files. Exercise 5. Have to create the folder structure. This structure. Let's create it. I'll be right back. We are going to organize them via using the share method. The first is carrie. Carrie. Okay, view, detail. Okay, Control A, Control C, and Control V. The second is silent load. The second silent load I am going to share by year. Okay, repeat. Okay. Load, Control A, Control C, and Control V. Let's do the same with everyone. And the next is rate. Control A, Control C, and Control V. The next is the shining. Okay, Control V, and the shining. Okay. Here it is necessary to be careful and do a manual or deeper share. The shining. Control A. Okay, the shining. Okay, and this. Okay. Continue the stand book. Okay. We will have a problem with the books of Stan. The share will be deeper signs in that year he made 3 books. Okay. Stan. Okay.
¿Cuándo hacemos un examen de eso?
Okay. Control A, Control C, and Control B. Continue book 2, book 2. Perfect. Control A, Control C, and Control B. Book 3.
Yo ya no voy a poner muchos más. Digo de cosas que tenga que poner para vosotros.
Book
Estamos en marzo,
3.
día 2. Quedan 2 semanas, te digo. Yo quiero explicar.
The book 3. Okay. Share manual. Control C and Control B. Okay. One moment.
¿Todas las tienes verdes o amarillas?
Okay, the next book is the Bear Song.
Dios, que no tengo. Me voy a sacar un ojo, ¿sabes?
The Bear Song. Okay. Control A. Control B. Okay. One moment. The next book is The Long Walk. Control A, Control C, and Control B. Okay, and the book is Fire Starter. Share results. Okay. Control A, Control C, and Control B. Okay. I always check that the files are correct. The stand, book 1, complete, copying items. And we have finished this organization of books. Do not forget to disconnect from the local unit. Disconnect, yes. Okay. Documents, exercise 5. Okay, solved. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye.